New York, where they really first originated. Many were brought in for the pet bird industry. In 1967, a large crate with several dozen parakeets broke open at Kennedy Airport, and the parakeets flew out of the broken crates and immediately over to Central Park, where they started building their famous stick nests. And the Department of Agriculture felt that these birds might start harming grain fields in New York and elsewhere, as they do in Argentina, where they've lived probably for tens of thousands of years. Been doing bird walks and nature walks in Jackson Park for over 30 years now. In fact, people around here know me as the Birdman of Hyde Park because I've been involved with birding for so long. I first discovered the first nesting monk parakeets actually in the tree behind us back in April of 1980. And the first pair started building their stick nests in that tree.